Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Mijbil the Otter together, step by step. Today we read Mijbil the Otter by Gavin Maxwell. It is a true account of how the writer brought home an otter from Iraq and kept it as a pet. The story describes the playful, loving bond that grows between the author and his unusual companion. While in Iraq, the author decides he would like an otter instead of a dog. A friend arranges one, and Maxwell names it Mijbil. The otter loves splashing in water and turns the bathroom into his playground. He is mischievous and invents his own games with marbles and a ball. Bringing Mijbil to England is a real adventure. Since airlines do not allow other animals with the airline he booked, Maxwell flies a different one. Mijbil is placed in a box but escapes and causes chaos on the plane. A kind air hostess suggests the author keep the otter on his knee, and all ends well. Gavin Maxwell is a patient, caring man who loves animals deeply. Mijbil is the star of the story, playful, intelligent, and full of energy. The kind air hostess shows that small acts of help matter. In London, people are puzzled, guessing Mijbil is anything from a seal to a baby dragon. The chapter celebrates the loving relationship between humans and animals. Mijbil shows that animals have their own personalities and feelings. The story reminds us to treat animals with care and responsibility, and it shows the great joy that a pet can bring into our lives. Let us learn some new words. Otter, a small playful animal that lives near water. Mischievous, fond of playful naughtiness. Compromise, a middle agreement that suits everyone. And frolic, to play and move about joyfully. To recap, Gavin Maxwell brings home a playful otter named Mijbil. Mijbil loves water, invents his own games, and even causes chaos on a flight to England. The story is a warm celebration of the special bond between humans and animals. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.